Hi folks, I'm solving Leetcode's top 150 questions and that's all you need for your coding interviews. So in this video, we'll be solving 746 minimum cost climbing stairs. This problem is a extension of this problem called climbing stairs. I've also made a video about that, so it's really recommended to solve the question or watch the video. We are given an integer array cost where cost at I is the cost to step on the staircase. Once you pay the cost, you can either climb one step or two step to the stairs. And we can either start from the 0th or first index. And we have to return the minimum cost to reach the top floor. Yeah, so let's take this example here. So reaching the top means reaching here. If we start from our 0th index, we can go to the first index or we can go to the second index. In both of them, the cost will be 10 since we are starting at 0. From here, and this is our top, which is third index. So if we take one step, we can either go to 2, or if we directly go to third step, we reach third. Similarly, here we can directly reach third. So now if we go from 1 to 2, this will be 15. And here if we go from first index to third one, again 15. Similarly, we are already here. So this will take 20. We have got one more step, which is this. If we go from 2 to 3, 20 again. So here if you count, we took 25 to reach here. Here we took 30. And here we took it's 45. But if you see, we are returning 15 here. It's because we are starting from our first index. If we start at 1 and reach our 3, it only takes 15. So this is what we return. So the time complexity, since at every given point in time, we are making two choices. That means 2 raised to the power n, where n is the length of this array. If we cache the result of our indices, we can easily do O of n. But we can do better than this by using DP. So if you think about it, if you are at, let's just say 3, what does it take to be here? Cost is 0 from being here. So we will take this into account and then we will start by solving our subproblems. For example, if we are at 2, how much it takes to reach at the top, which is 0. So we are already at 20 and it takes literally 20 steps. So this is good here. Let's just say we are at 15 now. What is the cost to reach at the third one? So the first one is we go one step. In that case, 35, or we can directly take this jump. In that case, it will be 15. So we will store the minimum and we already have 15. How about 10? The easiest way would be we can either have 10 plus 15, that will be 25, or we can take second step, which will be here, which will cost us 10 plus 20, which is 30. We will update this to our minimum one, which is our 25. So we will return the minimum of these two. And the time complexity for this would still be O of n. So the space complexity would be O of 1 since we won't be using any extra memory. Let's look at the code on how we can solve this.